Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Fahameurbic YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn some Arabic verbs which are used to order someone. The first word is unzur. 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 It's mean see. The next word is istamir. 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 It's mean listen. Istamir. The next word is karrir. 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 It's mean repeat. Karrir. The next word is iqra. 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 It's mean read. Iqra. The next word is لاحظ. 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 It's mean notice. لاحظ. The next word is اختبر. 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 It's mean test. اختبر. The next word is ashir. 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 It's mean point. Ashir. The next word is akmil. 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 It's mean complete. Akmil. The next word is kawin. 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 It's mean make. Kawin. The next word is uktub. 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 It's mean right. Uktub. The next word is حلل. 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 It's mean solve. حلل. The next word is swill. 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 It's mean connect. Swill. The next word is door. 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 It's mean put. Door. The next word is insakh. 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 It's mean copy. Insakh. The next word is حدد. 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 Its mean locate. حدد. The next word is adif. 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 Its mean add. Adif. This video ends here. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then share it and also subscribe this channel. Jazakumullah.